as you all guys can see my screen here. Okay, so if you want to change any customization in the tool, okay, so what mostly in the doctor's page, like the symptoms, diagnosis, and the medication and the investigation part. So what you can do is that you can just simply go in any patient. So I'll just click on all patient for an example. Okay, in the mostly try to show it in the demo number. Okay, so I'm just showing in my patient need. I'll just simply click on the start visit, and once I just click on start visit, so you can see guys on the right side there is an option called as new top. You can see new configure your pad option okay over here. So you need to click if the doctor wants something different style of writing. Okay, like he wants the lab results to come on the top or the medicines to come at complete bottom. What you can do, just simply click on this configuration, configure your pad. So it will open up a page something like this. So here, if the doctor doesn't want the lab uh, or he doesn't want any things to be enabled, so you can just simply disable that. Okay, so suppose doctor is not keen on the lab results part, he can disable, or he wants to enable, he can enable. Okay, so in most of the doctor's account, I think the lab result part is not enabled. Kindly enable that one, and you ask the doctor, show the doctor like what things he write, in what way he's writing the prescription. Like he wants the symptoms to come on the top, or he wants the lab results to come on the top. So if he is really keen on that thing, so he can just simply move this lab results on the top and put it. Okay, he can do that. Okay, and he wants any investigations to be prescribed below this diagnosis, he can just come and put it below this investigations. So once this has been set, doctor can click on save button. Okay, so he can move anything in whatever manner he wants to do that. So once he just click on save guys, a doctor, so you can see my prescription pad will be set according to that. So now you can see on the top there is a lab results and there is a symptoms. We have a diagnosis and lab investigation and the medicines below. Okay, so we can set according to this need, and this will really help the doctor to be little faster, and he can customize his prescription pad. Okay, so that's it regarding this configuration your pad. Okay, anything you need help, just ping in on your groups. We will create a short videos to help you in other features as well.